AgTech Tech Tip: Saving ESX files. Gradework version 1.12 has made a significant change to the file format. Files saved in version 1.12 will now have an ESX file extension. This format replaces the ESW and ESZ file formats. This format will no longer be compatible with older versions of Gradework and Earthwork 4D. The ESX file will save the job data along with the PDF or TIFF images associated with the project. To set the default parameters, launch Gradework from the desktop, but do not open a file. Close the Open dialog window. Select the Options menu and select Save Options. You have the option to save no images, only the current image, used images, or all images, which would include the entire PDF bundle, whether the sheets were used or not. This setting will be used on all saved files. Click OK. The save options may also be accessed from the Save As window. Select File, Save As. Check Save Options. Click Save. The same options will be available. You may also choose to save surfaces, which will prompt you to select the surfaces you want to save in the file. When opening an ESW file, when you save the file, it will now have the ESX extension. If you open an ESW file that has already been saved as an ESX file, you will be warned the ESX file already exists. Click Yes to open the ESX file. Click No to open the original ESW file. Now, if you open the ESW file and save, you will overwrite the ESX file. It is recommended to use Save As when opening the ESW file after it has been saved as an ESX file.